Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah.
Jai Gurudev. First, let us try to understand, what this eightfold Prakriti does to each plant, and then the environment around the plant. So the holistic structure is, we have the seed growing into the plant, and we have the environment, and we have the devatas, because we understand that our elements are devatas. These are the these devatas हम में है और ये प्लांट में है. हाँ, उसीलिए वो इनहेरेंट है, उसको एनलाइवन होना है, उसको प्रेयर बोलना है और उसको पूजा करना है कि वो प्लांट को टेक केयर करने के लिए. लेकिन हम में है, ये है वेदा इन फिजियोलॉजी. सो वेदा इन फिजियोलॉजी हम में है, ये प्लांट में भी है. So first we start with the Bhumi Prakriti. Bhumi Prakriti, this is our Devata, Mata, Bhumi. So this Bhumi Prakriti governs the structure. And in the plants, क्या करते? It governs the structure of the cell membranes, structure of the tissues, structure of the root, the systems, the stems, leaves, flowers, fruits. And then what it does in the environment में क्या करते? It structures the soil composition and conservation, extending to the whole earth itself. It tries to bring the balance, structure and conservation. Then we go to the Apa Prakriti. Then what it does again in the plant, it will govern all the fluid, all the vascular systems, intercellular fluids, and then the fluid uptake from the environment. Then what does Apa do in the environment? It makes sure that the rains come on time and in proper proportion. Then the groundwaters are stable, surface waters are pure and abundant. So Apa governs the overall fluid balance in the earth and its atmosphere. Next we will go to the Agni Prakriti, the third one. And what it does in the plants, it governs the metabolic system of the plant and the photosynthetic system of the plant. And in the environment वो क्या करते? It balances and regulates sunshine intensity, seasonal temperature, balancing the seasonal temperature, and then balancing the metabolic processes in the plant itself, which are very integral for the health of the plant and also for the environment health. Environment health be important hai. So in the environment also it is balancing these, and in the plant it is balancing mainly the photosynthetic systems and the metabolic systems. Now we go to Vayu Prakriti. What does Vayu Prakriti do? In the plant it is governing the respiratory systems. That is, there is respiration and the gas exchange, and what is happening in the cells and the whole plant respiration is being taken care of. Now environment में क्या हो रहा? It is also balancing the respiration of the environmental systems. So air pure रहना, winds बोले तो बहुत वायु, ये कंड्यूसिव रहना, बिकॉज ज़्यादा विंड है तो वो प्लांट डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाते, नो विंड है तो भी उसको अच्छा नहीं है. And then so this is balancing, the making the purification of, bringing the purification of the air, and then balancing the winds, and then balancing the crop health and the overall atmosphere is Vayu Prakriti in the environment. अभी हम देखेंगे आकाश प्रकृति क्या कर रहे हो. ये आकाश प्रकृति all intercellular spaces and interrelationships of all the systems are all in the space. All the cells and all the systems are in the space. And so it brings balance, it governs, all those space is proper, and it is not in imbalance. Otherwise proper growth will not be there. So in the greater environment, Akasha kya karte? That there is a spatial relationship of all the vegetation in the ecosystem. Ecosystem are conducive. There is health and vitality around, and there is nature's support coming from all directions, from all the cosmos, from all the heavenly bodies. And they are all bringing in this support, because Vayu extends. वायु तो पूर्ण संपूर्ण व्यापक होते, उसीलिए वो सबका सपोर्ट ला सकते हैं, सबका इकोसिस्टम, फ्रॉम ऑल द अदर प्लांट्स, ऑल द अदर एनवायरनमेंट, ऑल द कॉस्मोस, ऑल द प्लैनेट्स. इट विल ब्रिंग द सपोर्ट फॉर एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम दैट लेवल. नाउ हमारा मानस प्रकृति, मानस, what it will do in the plants, it will increase, it will govern the intelligence in the plants. There will be more intelligence, more awareness in the plants of what is happening with the cycles and the rhythms of the nature. And the plants become more responsible to external stimuli. And then there is regulation of abundant and healthy flowering. There is regulation of efficient and complete pollination. And in the environment, what it does do, then it also, brings in more information from the environment. The intelligence, it brings in more intelligence and brings in more interrelationships and interactions with the whole of the environment. This is what the Manas Prakriti does. Then what does Buddhi Prakriti do? It discriminates and differentiating processes. So, ये प्लांट का इंटेग्रिटी इम्प्रूव करते हैं. कैसा नेसेसरी केमिकल, बायोलॉजिकल, बिहेवियरल सिस्टम्स रेगुलेट करना, और फ्यूचर, ये बुद्धि helps in differentiation of present and future generations in fruit and seed formation. So this is very important. The Buddhi Prakriti monitors the creative and the destructive operations, and how to bring that unity together and bring the opposing dynamics together and keep this, differentiation for present and future generations, so that Smriti value will be increased. And so Buddhi maintains this discrimination in the plant of the specific values and the holistic values. The specific values, how the plant can use the specific values, and how plant can use the holistic values. It brings that integration together. Very beautiful.
Mangalam